Hi dear viewers. So today how we can solve that feed URL. Okay, whenever crawl currently not index, that's the problem for feed. For that reasons there is a one plugin does the disable everything. You have to install. When installing, disable everything, and then install already, activate. Okay, we have to disable everything. Go to settings. Easily sync post from one central site to unlimited multiple sites. Okay, so everything should be okay. There is lots of options you can see, and here we can disable feed. Okay, where is the feed? Here is the RS feeds. Okay, click disable the RS feed link, and the disable the feeds will redirect to the page instead. Okay, so then you have to save changes. Okay, I hope you will get the benefited from this video. Share and subscribe, and with your friend and families. Hope in few seconds it will be disable. Okay, feed will be disable. So just it's going, just you can setting that, and she will this plugin will give disable of that RS feeds. Okay, hope this video will help to you. Thank you for watching, and subscribe, share, and comments in the comment sections. Thank you.